For Matthew, he didn't want to compromise with his lifestyle, and that's how off-grid systems should be. You should be able to live a normal life as you had been connected to the grid. He had washing machines, he had dishwashers, he had got a media room for his kids, and basically that's how we designed the system to lead a normal life, as if just like you're connected to the grid. The life of the batteries really depend upon the cycles they can do. If you don't design the system according to the requirements, then you run out of the battery pretty fast, and that's the most expensive part of the system. By battery cycle, what it means is one charge to one discharge is called one cycle. And battery life really depends upon the number of cycles it can do. It's not about how many years they are designed for, but it's about the number of cycles it can do. When we design an off-grid system, we try to design the battery so that it doesn't drain significantly. It drains up to 50%. And also you have an autonomy of 2 days, so that's going to cover you for the next 2 days at least in a cloudy condition. Matthew had a very interesting location, but the house was not facing the right direction, nor was the roof pitch enough. So we decided to put the panels on the ground mount, which is slightly south of the house. Ground mount system is very efficient for off-grid systems. With ground mount, you can have the panels mounted, facing the right direction at a greater tilt, so that you can match the low elevation of the sun in winter, and also you end up using less number of panels. We couldn't put the panels on Matthew's house because it was designed for views rather than sun, so that's why we ended up putting panels on the ground mount.
During the design process of the house, we obviously looked at efficiencies within the design, and a nice concrete floor, an insulated concrete floor to maximize our passive heat from the sun was very important. We've got very good insulation, double glazing in the house, which helps a lot. That, coupled with the log burning range, basically takes care of all of our heating needs.